What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be doing a video on how to make really weird fart-like noises with a straw. Okay, so what you want to do is get your straw and you want to put it in the middle of your elbow. And now once you put it in there, you just want to bring the straw to your mouth and blow on it. And yeah, it kind of sounds like a fart. I mean, you can trick people if they don't know what's happening. And yeah, that's pretty much the whole video. You should try, like, you can trick people with it. It's pretty funny. And yeah, peace.